Going to explain in this problem. Prove that the pole of normal chords of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 on the curve a power 6 by x square minus b power 6 by y square equals to a square plus b square whole square. To prove this, first of all, here write given hyperbola, given equation of the hyperbola, that is x square by hyperbola, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Next, that let p of x1 y1 on the pole, then equation of polar x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equals to 1. Consider this is equation number 1. Next, that here equation of normal is x1 by a secant theta, ax by secant theta plus by tan theta equals to a square plus b square. Consider this is equation number 2. From equations 1 and 2 represents 1 and 2 represents same line. 1 and 2 represents same line. So comparing equation 1 and 2. So equation 1, x coefficient x1 by a square, here x coefficient a by secant theta. So here x1 by a square by, in this equation, x coefficient a by secant theta plus here equation 1, y coefficient y1 by b square whole divided by here y coefficient b by tan theta equals to 1 by a square plus b square, 1 by a square plus b square. Okay, next that we are going to write x1 secant theta by a cube equals to this value, right? RHS, then minus y1 tan theta by b cube, minus y1 tan theta by b cube. Okay, next that equals to 1 by a square plus b square, 1 by a square plus b square. Next, that here a square plus b square secant theta equals to a cube by x1, a square plus, then we are going to write a square plus b square into secant theta equals to, write a cube by x1. Consider this is equation number 3. Next, that in this term a square plus b square into tan theta a square plus b square into tan theta equals to, right, minus b cube by y1 minus b cube by y1. Consider this is equation number 4. Squaring and subtracting from 3 and 4 equations. Squaring and subtracting squaring and subtracting uh, 3 and 4 equations. Then we will get a square plus b square secant theta minus a square plus b square whole square. Squaring and subtracting, so whole square secant square theta minus a square plus b square whole square tan square theta equals to a cube by x1 whole square minus of minus plus b cube by y1 whole square. Squaring and subtracting from 3 and 4 equations. Then we'll get this. Here a square plus b square whole square, a square plus b square whole square is the common factor. That implies a square plus b square whole square into secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to a power 6 by x1 square plus b power 6 by 3 2s are by y1 square. Therefore, we know that by trigonometric formulae secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, now here that implies a square plus b square into, in place of secant square theta minus tan square theta, right, 1 equals to a power 6 by x1 square plus b power 6 by y1 square. P of x1 y1 Lucas, then we are going to write that implies a square plus b square into 1 is a square plus b square equals to a power 6 by x square plus b power 6 by y square. Okay, b power 6 by y square. Here subtracting this minus will get, so here is minus. After that we are going to take here minus of minus plus.